everybody, my name is Neha Daga and I welcome you all to the Lady Daga Show. First of all, I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you all a very happy Women's Day. And for this day, we've created the Women's Day special episode for you all, featuring some lovely women and their responses based on a few questions we asked them over the past few days. And here's what we got for you.
My ability to emotionally express myself freely in this patriarchal society and to connect with my environment and nature, including humans as well.
I think women are blessed with vulnerability, with sensitivity, and I feel extremely happy that as a woman I don't have to think about any kind of barriers and I get to express myself. And I think it's a blessing, it's a boon to be able to express. And I think women are born with it.
I love everything about being a woman and I embrace it, and I wouldn't have it otherwise.
No beard?
Qualities like thinking about others before yourself and being compassionate, that comes naturally to us.
I embrace everything about being a woman. I love the power and the strength that we carry within ourselves to just know that we can be kind and yet rule the world.
Bacha, mamta, pyar. That we all look beautiful at any given time. Whatever we do, we're so beautiful. Every one of us. You're just beautiful. Beautiful.
One thing I love about being a woman is that people still underestimate us, and then that gives us the kick-ass chance to show them what we're made of. I love the look of surprise on people's faces when you're just like, I did it.
My strength as a woman is my ability to stand up for my sisters on those oppressed, discriminated grounds and to fight for my rights even if I don't get to enjoy them.
Women are givers. We always have something to share, to give, and I think that is my strength. Whether it is my emotion or whether it's something materialistic that I have, or whether it's just plain strength, it's empathy, it's being there for someone. I think that's my strength as a woman, where even if there are times I might not be there physically for someone, but I think the way a woman understands you, listens to you. I know there are a lot of jokes which go around saying that girls don't listen, women don't listen to the other person, but I think women are givers and they are good listeners and they are always there for you. They will not judge you, they will never judge your emotions, and I think that is my strength as a woman, that I will always be there for someone, and even if I am not able to do something for them, I'll make sure it happens for them.
My strength is to believe in myself, my dreams, and to never give up, because there's always light at the end of the tunnel.
The one thing that I feel is my strength is to be able to blend and adjust into any and every given situation.
Multitasking. I've seen wonderful women balance their lives beautifully, work, household, etc. So that's one thing. And second would be the power of giving birth to a new life. That's wonderful and amazing.
I am confident, I am not afraid to try on new things, and I'm able to adapt to new situations pretty well.
The fact that I can create a life within me, I think it's the biggest strength. And that's just very powerful.
The ability to be vulnerable, to empathize, and to connect with people.
There's no weakness. It's the society that makes us feel we are weak. Sorry, there's no weakness.
What is my weakness as a woman? I don't think there's any weakness as such. I think, as I said earlier, that women are givers. I think my weakness as a woman is going to be this, that there are times I feel too vulnerable. I'm always giving and I feel that, I'm always available for everybody. So I feel I can be taken advantage of. And I think that becomes slightly something which is not in my favor, where people start taking me for granted. But I don't think that has anything to do with being a woman or being a man, because people can take anyone for granted. So as a woman, I don't think there's absolutely any weakness I have, because women are strong. They are strong emotionally, and at the same time, I feel when it comes to being physically strong, women are there as well. So there's nothing that I feel women or I am not capable of doing. We are all rock stars, so let's keep rocking.
My weakness as a woman is to be sensitive, to be oversensitive, and to be ruled by emotions.
Period pains.
My weakness as a woman, definitely emotions, being oversensitive, getting affected by things and people.
I doubt myself a lot, and also I overthink a lot sometimes. It leads to a lot of chaos and confusion in life.
My weakness as a woman, I feel that sometimes I forget that I have to keep myself above others, and I have to think about myself too and my happiness too.
I feel my biggest weakness as a woman is that I sometimes look at other women as competition rather than a community that can build each other up and grow together. That's something that I am working on, and I think that's the promise I will make this Women's Day.
Strive, shine, and have a successful life. You will. The world is yours to take. Take it.
Wish you all a very, very, very happy Women's Day. Please be the vulnerable self that you are. Be the strong one that you are. Please keep giving, and please keep loving and spreading smiles.
Celebrate yourself, and there's nothing wrong in being ambitious. And hey, woman, we love the girl in you.
Live your life to the fullest, the way you want it to be. Make it happen for you. Yay!
Where there's a woman, there's magic. So let's really celebrate who we are. Let's celebrate our victories, failures together. And it's time we give immense respect to the other woman out there for who she is, for her own challenges, and let's just stop judging and let's spread love.
Thank you for making this world a better place, and just know that you're incredible and you are a warrior. So just go out and try on things that you always wanted to. You will be there where you always wanted to be.
सबको प्यार करना चाहिए, अच्छा से दिखना चाहिए.
I think we should take extra care of ourselves and, love ourselves more and try to listen to our needs, our happiness, and let's not ignore ourselves.
Don't be afraid to own all the sides of you, whether that side is feminine, masculine, tomboyish, shy, vulnerable, extroverted, introverted, whatever facets of your personality are yours. Just own them, just freaking own them.
Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope we were able to create some value and happiness into each of your lives. Do share your personal responses and feedback to the questions posed into the video below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.